Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the SSRC indicator for MT4. This smooth oscillator moves around the midline at zero. It's overbought and oversold levels that help traders identify overextended conditions and potential reversal entries. In this video you'll see how the SSRC oscillates, how signals are interpreted, and which scalping strategies are described. The SSRC trend indicator for MT4 is an oscillating indicator that moves smoothly around the midline on zero, bounded with overbought and oversold markers at plus or minus 0.75 and 0.9, and a limit at plus or minus 1.3. The 1.3 level indicates strongly overbought conditions, while minus 1.3 indicates strongly oversold conditions, and the oscillator tends to flatten out when the market seems too bullish or bearish, only starting to bend when the trend is about to end. This behavior makes it effective for determining excellent trade entries and exits, particularly when combined with trend following filters. On the MT4 chart, the SSRC oscillates in a separate window below with clear horizontal levels marking the zero midline, overbought and oversold zones at plus or minus 0.75 and 0.9, and extreme levels at plus 1.3 or minus 1.3. The smooth drawing style makes it easy to spot when the oscillator crosses key thresholds or begins to bend back from extreme levels. Traders watch for crossover of the zero line from below for long signals and crossover from above for short signals. Basic trading rules states that traders should go long if the SSRC crosses the zero level from below and go short if the SSRC crosses the zero level from above. In scalping strategies, the SSRC is combined with a 132 period exponential moving average on the 5-minute chart, with trades taken in the direction of the EMA when the market is overextended based on the SSRC indicator. Entry signals occur when the SSRC line crosses back from an overextended area past the plus or minus 0.9 mark, and the trade is exited when the SSRC line starts to bend back. The SSRC indicator is suitable for scalpers and short-term traders who want to identify overextended retracements within the context of a trending market, because the SSRC indicator tends to flatten out when price trends. It allows traders to hold on to trades up to near the end of the short-term trend, enabling high reward risk ratios while retaining high win-loss ratios when combined with trend filters. However, it is an oscillator that requires confirmation from trend direction tools like moving averages, and traders should use proper stop loss placement at the nearest support or resistance below or above the entry candle. You can download the SSRC indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview highlights how the smooth oscillators overextended zones and flattening behavior can help traders time retracement entries and hold trades longer during trending conditions. If you like smooth oscillators for scalping strategies, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.